boy, YouTube. Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. We got projects everywhere. Oh yeah. So my first goal is to get this moped and this generator done this weekend. Typically when I film for you guys, it's only on my weekends, so I kind of space stuff out a little bit. So if I release a video every day this week, it's most likely from last weekend. So just in case you see like a slight delay in my videos, that's the reason why. But I'm organizing everything. I'm getting ready to sell all of the Ford Ranger parts that I was going to start building. Let's see what else. Yeah, we got a lot of organizing to do as well again. But my goal, like I said, get this done, generator done, that sold, and then we can start to reorganize a lot of this stuff, and then I can finish this generator. We'll get that. I want to have a done pile over there, just so I don't have to worry about where stuff is at certain points. I'm also going to show you guys a slight fix I did on my truck, if I can ever get on day shift. But yeah. Oh, and this was that engine that I picked up last weekend. I only paid $100 for that. So that's something else I'm going to look into, see what's wrong with that. It kind of sounds like it spun a bearing. I really hope it didn't, but I'm just expecting the worst, hoping for the best kind of thing. And we're going to go from there. Got lots of projects to work on, lots of stuff to disassemble. The only way to get there is just to start working on everything. So the first thing I'm going to do is start working on this. So the next few videos you guys see will be on this and the generator. Again, this Rhino Liner paint job came out pretty well for just the spray can. I think it makes it look pretty stealthy, and it should be good for someone who's actually using this at a job site, but let me get more into that in the separate videos. So without further ado, here we go. So I didn't even think of this until now, but I figured I'd unbox a few things for you and show you stuff that I unfortunately kind of unboxed without you guys. So the first thing is brand new Kickstarter. I'm probably going to use this on the other moped that I have, so that one has an actual Kickstarter on it, because I thought that the pit bike that I bought didn't come with one, but it did, so I'm going to use this on that moped. So that's the first thing. I'll show you guys this. We've got two brand new lights for the 2017 Tao Tao moped. We're going to see how these work. Hopefully they work pretty well. Let's do this. So I have an idea what this is. Let's see. And we have a brand new carburetor. Nice. Look at that. Brand new fuel lines with it. I like it. I like it. Exactly what I needed. Yeah, this should work really, really good with the with this moped. Small, just a regular small 80, no, not 80, I'm sorry, 18 millimeter carb. Yeah, this seems like it's going to work out really well though. Let me unplug this. Probably don't have to do this now, but I figured I'd show you guys anyway. And also I don't want to lose it. That's part of the reason. Just going to put that there. Anything else in here? If it drops on the floor, it's probably important. Typical. Actually, this is, yeah, that looks pretty on. Oh. Okay, so just gonna put that to the side for now. This is just unboxings anyway. Put that there. Let's see what's in here. I also have a feeling I know what's in here. Oh yeah. Well, this will be fun. Brand new plastics. With a little pit pipe over there. Brand spanking new. Doesn't get any newer than that. Brand new seat, which is really comfy actually, surprisingly, especially for the price I paid. Brand new front fender. Yeah, we got all the plastics here. Got the rear fender. So with any luck, that thing might be put together too this week. So for everyone who's new to my channel, I'm gonna start doing these each week. I might start dividing my days up. I'll have maybe Mondays for unboxings if there are any. If not, I'll just show you guys what I'm going to do for the week. And then Tuesday through Friday, or Tuesday through Sunday, or something like that, I'll have individual videos on each thing that I'm currently working on, or kind of combine them together. But this is what I got going on right now. I know a few more parts will be coming. I have a new airbox coming for the moped, so that should be tomorrow. So I'll probably add that in this video. But yeah, that's what I have for now. Oh, and the other thing was, this is the new engine that will be for this Polaris Sportsman over here. Not brand new, obviously. I paid under $300 for this 500. But it's in really good condition. I checked the timing chain; it's pretty tight still. So this should be a good engine for this thing, and with any luck, we'll be able to start this soon too. This wasn't in a box, but this is the new frame for this quad, which I also have to start completely disassembling tomorrow. Tomorrow probably. I'm gonna remove some more of. I don't. How am I gonna do this? I gotta clean all this mud off so that I'm able to work on this thing easily. I don't know. We'll deal with that tomorrow. I gotta be up a little bit today anyway. But this will be the new frame for this quad here. It's gonna be a very big switch. I've never done anything this big before. I usually just deal with the nitro and gas buggies when I do something that big. So this will be pretty interesting to deal with. So I hope you guys stay tuned. And if you have any suggestions for me, anything new, please feel free to tell me. Alright, Diesel Dan Peters. So. Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. I hope you guys can hear me okay. I have the heater on right now. We got one more unboxing, which is this box right here. So without further ado, let's unbox it. have it. Brand new air filter box. I'm assuming there's actually an air filter in it already, so but we'll take a look at that before we fully install it. Actually, we can still install it regardless. Nice. Let's go ahead and install this.